Yes, yes. I wish to tell you about the birds and the bees. Oh yes I do, oh yes I do, oh yes I do. I wish to tell you about the birds and the bees. You get a man, and you get a woman, and you have the Johnson, which I call my Maximus Prime, which is the penis, your penis, your penis. Oh yes it is, oh yes it is. And you put the penis in the vagina, and you oh yes you do, oh yes you do. Put the penis in the vagina, and 9 months later, a baby will come out, and the woman will start screaming like some of them aliens. No. And then she'll have a beautiful baby, like me and my girlfriend. Yes, me and my Julliett. Julliett, she's my darling, she's my darling. Oh, the vagina, yes. Maybe yes, we're still celibate, but we're not married yet. Me and my darling. Yes. May I excuse myself? Oh, this time my fault. Oh, yes. I killed it, I had to eat it one other time. I was flying off, I had to eat it all. It came at me, and I didn't know what to do, so it jumped out and went, so Peter, oh my God, I beat it with a herring, I killed it with a herring, it jumped out at me, and then there was a carrier pigeon, of disease, oh, gnarly, the claw, hobbling, rid disease eating away at your very being. The car. It's for assholes and the B is for you're a bastard, or yes you are, and the C is for cunty, and D is for you're a dirty bastard, or yes you are, no. You wish to talk about a piece of vinyl? Not talking about the CD, talk about the piece of music which there is a piece of delinquency, and we're having a rendezvous, and I was no, they're fine, huh?